Shut up, man.
Yes, sir.
4,000 stall converter in it.
That is good to hear.
I don't know if I sent you pictures of the throttle body or not. So this thing's fully adjustable. TPS sensor, blades adjustable, idle's adjustable.
If I need to know anything, you know I'm gonna be calling you.
Yeah. It's all out of a 93 Foxbody. The only thing that's not, the control module right here, the ignition module, is from a 94.
94, okay.
Yeah, it just has a higher, it has a better spark rate, so it fires up. Because the blade needs adjusted from the idle, it'll whistle. But if you take it down the road, it'll go away.
I know it ain't gonna be perfect, so.
The fan is hot wired at the moment, so as soon as you turn the key on, the fan kicks on.
Okay.
So don't ever leave the key on this thing unless you plan on trying to jump it.
Okay. Good. Go ahead. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Oh my God. I'm in heaven.
I built one for a buddy of mine.
Yeah, but. Oh my God. Holy.
Scat swap RAM was different. It's tough, yeah. A Mustang motor and a BMW. Oh, I need to record you. Shit. Damn, what am I doing?
And there's that whistle.
Okay. Yes, sir. I ain't got no radio, so you got some dash rattles, you know. Did it for y'all. The speedo don't work, so I'm on waves. Was she wrong? Till I get this throttle body fixed and shit. She go crazy up top. Hold on. It's a little 3-speed. I gotta fix that too. I gotta fix the shifter. I can't even really shift that joint for real. That joint iffy.